Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you will subscribe, or you have already subscribed. Either way, thank you so much. We welcome you here. And if you've been watching my videos, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for always coming back. Yeah, so today I'm literally just starting this vlog now, but I went to a couple of malls. I went to do a couple of stuff. I got like a couple of stuff in the back there. I'll show you guys tomorrow. Today's a Saturday, by the way. I started this vlog late because I've been tired the whole week. I was working, I had clients back to back. Guys, I joined the Help Me Promote My Business challenge on Facebook, and oh my god, it has done wonders. It has done, like, guys, my back hurts like crazy. Like, I've been tired. Like, I literally have been having clients back to back. I kid you not. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Thank you so much, you guys, for your support. Thank you to each and every one of my clients. I really hope you guys are happy. Well, I do ask them, but yeah, I'm really happy about that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got tomorrow. Yeah, before I go to church, I'll do that. So yeah, right now I'm actually heading to my friend's house, Melinda, just to check on her. So yeah, we'll continue the vlog when we get there. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm about to leave Melinda's house. I even did Wiglands. Yeah, it's just been an amazing day. I don't want to go actually, but hey, life forces us to leave. We have candles lit and some music. Imagine. Melinda doesn't want to say hi. Yeah, I just thought I should check in before I leave Melinda's house. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good night. Okay guys, so this is the tree that I got. I got it for almost everything, but mainly my nail color. Yeah, I got that from Selection Mart. It was actually 300. It was on lay-by. So I just went to take it yesterday. Then I got to the Body Shop and got this Himalayan charcoal clay wash thing, and I got tea tree oil because mine is almost done, and then I got the vitamin E moisturizing cream. Yeah, so these were the charcoal face wash was 155, the tea tree oil was 230, and then vitamin E was 165. But as usual, they had the 3 for 2 special, so yeah, I didn't pay for the charcoal face wash basically. Yeah, so that was the total. And then what else did I get? I also went to Pep. This set. Then I got these earrings. Miranda took the ones that was here, but yeah, I like these. They were 13 bucks. Then I got a hand cream. I believe this was 16 bucks or so. Then I got these cups, these glasses. I got these glasses. They were literally $4 each. $4. Are they cheap? Yeah, I got 11 of these in case one breaks. I like being from like that, so yeah. I believe that's what I got yesterday from the wall. Yeah, that's so new. Yeah, that's it. So I wanna head up to church now. I'm gonna finish putting the leaves when I come back from church because it's literally time. I need to go and there's a lot of them left in here. Wow. Yes. So yeah, catch you later. For some time. Listen, beloved. Hi guys, so today is a Tuesday and I just finished with the clients. Yeah, so now I'm having bread and tea. Say hi. But your hair looks messy. Okay, so yeah, Rod and I are going out to try a new place in town. Is it really new? Really?
No, it's not
Say bye-bye.
It has always been there.
Bye-bye.
Just
Okay.
like we haven't been there.
Okay, yeah, so it's not a new place per se, but we've never been there, so we're going there for the first time today for lunch. Yeah, it's 2-1 right now, so Rod is gonna do my makeup and
I would do a quick one. Have to.
we should be there.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys later.
Hi guys, so we're literally on our way to Warwick, so yeah, let's get started. I'm so hungry, like I literally can't wait to get there and eat. Oh my god, I mean, like the beat that was supposed to take 30 minutes, it ended up taking a whole 1 hour and 30 minutes.
2 hours,
almost 2 hours. So yeah, but your girl looks so pretty. She looked beat for the gods.
thanks.
Yeah, so guys, we'll see you in a bit, and yeah, bye. So guys, we literally decided to get pizza because the food earlier wasn't that nice.
I just wanted to tell you, thank you guys for all the day ones that have been here, and thank you for the new subscribers and anybody that is new. Guys, please show us some love by subscribing to our channel and give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to share it out. So yeah, have a great night and peace from Slay by Carrie. Please guys, don't forget to check out my page, Slay by Carrie on Facebook, Slayed by _Carrie on Instagram as well. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and